everyone and welcome to today's workout with me, Lisa Hart. So we are focusing on the core and pelvic floor with this follow along workout. Now a lot of people tend to be afraid of training their abs during pregnancy, which is completely understandable. You don't want to put too much pressure on that ab region. You may feel like you're squashing your baby. There's a lot of shifts happening there. But actually doing core based exercises is very beneficial not only to yourself but also to your baby. And some of the things that it can help to do is to improve your circulation, help to improve your digestion, help to reduce the likelihood of constipation, help to relieve any stresses that you may be having, help that ligament pain that may be occurring, help to strengthen that low back. So what I'm going to do is run you through a number of different exercises that you can do in order to stay safe during your pregnancy by training the core and the pelvic floor. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel and also make sure you do click on that notification bell so you know all the workouts are rolling out on my channel in the coming weeks. So let's get going. So we're going to start off with some good mornings. So we're going to place our hands across our chest and what we're going to do is hinge at the hips and allow that belly to fold over. And come back up ever so slowly. Have a slight bend at the knees and don't let that belly drop.
Easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
TVO contractions. So place your hands on your belly. As you inhale, let your belly fill with air. And as you exhale, you're going to hug your baby in. And draw that belly in.
I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Knee lifts, so we're going to bring our arms up above our heads, bring our elbow to our knee on the side. If this is too much for you, just have your arms at shoulder height.
Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Next we're going to be doing a knee to hand, so we're going to have our hands up in the air again. We're going to have a slightly narrower stance and bring our knees to our hands in a march. Again, similar to the last one, if this is too intense, keep your hands at shoulder.
If you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, 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 like I do.
slides. So from a sitting position, place your hands behind your back, and we're just going to release our leg down to the ground and then switch with the other side. All the time, focus on that pelvic floor, so draw in a 12, a 6, 3 and 9 to hold it. On top of our left, we're going to place our hands into our head, and we're just going to do a knee lift, extension, lift and down, lift, extension, lower, down. So next we're going to do a side crunch. So we're going to place the hand on the floor, place the other hand on the side of the head. We're going to raise up ever so slightly for a crunch so you can feel the contraction in the side of your abs here, and then we're going to lower back down.
Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that.
So come up slowly, we're going to do this on the other side. So we're going to be doing our leg lifts first. Try and keep that foot flexed as you extend up into the air and back down.
Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body.
Okay, bring the arm down. We're going to do a seated crunch on the opposite side. Just remember, as you're raising up, you're only going as far as you feel comfortable.
Show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost.
Okay, coming up slowly, we're going to go into a quadruped position for a bird dog. Remember, because we have now got the belly going towards the floor, that we want to make sure that we are hugging our baby in at all times. We're going to bring one arm forward and extend the other leg back. Into a seated position. You can have your legs either in a butterfly pose or you can cross your legs. We're going to start by doing some seated twists. Combo. So we're going to do 20 seconds of butterfly. So you can either bounce the knees ever so slightly, remember not to aggravate it too much. Then we're going to sit in a V-sit and we're going to hold a forward fold for 5 to 10 seconds, release and repeat again. Into a frog stretch. So this is similar to a child's pose, but we're just going to have our legs out wider and our arms. It looks like a splattered frog. So you're going to have your legs out nice and wide, sink low into your stretch, and we're going to hold this for 20 seconds and then we're going to go into a child's pose. Last move is a runner's lunge, and we're going to do 20 seconds on each leg. So we're going to have our leg at a 90 degree angle, the front one, raise up so that your back leg is off the floor. If this is too much, obviously have that knee on the floor and use your hands on your knees to support. you so much for joining me on today's workout, and I hope you enjoyed this one. You can do this as many times as you want throughout the week. Just remember at all times that when you're doing all your exercises that you're contracting that pelvic floor and you're really focusing on holding those kegels as much as you can and holding that baby, hugging it nice and tight. But for me, it's bye for now.
Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I